Guys, welcome back. It's Dave, Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Hey, I'm at a car show today here in Palmetto. It's one I go to every one Sunday of the month. Did some videos for you last time it was there and put them out for you, and you guys liked them a lot. So figured I would do a video. I'm really sick right now. I apologize for my voice being really bad. But I couldn't stay home. The show is too important to get you guys the content. It's too important. So I'm here. Please bear with me on my voice. But I wanted to show you the 64 Cadillac. It's the first car I videoed today. It might be the last. Don't know if my voice will hold up, but it's a beautiful car, and I wanted to make sure I got this on YouTube. I love all the cool little designs they've put on the trunk lid. As I always do, the view through the rear view there for you. It's just a beautiful car. To get a car to look this good in black is really tough. And then they've got a little two-tone action going on here. The top is actually, it looks like it's gray. It's pretty cool. It's shining, really shiny. So guys, the skirts are awesome. I love to see the skirts on there. That's the way it should be. Roll down back windows. It's nice. It's real nice, guys. The interior on this thing is amazing. Do a little shot in here. Driver's seat area. So beautiful. You don't see them like this too much. Especially these old cars, these big luxury cars, you just don't see them fixed up like this. So this is a real treat. The paint is amazing because it's got a lot of metallic in it, and there's a lot of color in the metallic. I don't know if you guys can see that picking it up on the camera, but I hope it's picking it up for you. Kind of try to hold it still and see. You can see that. I believe you can see that. Looks really cool. I love that. Show you the engine. It's actually a Cadillac motor. Guys, is that sexy or what? They just don't make them like that anymore. It's kind of like your first girlfriend. You won't find another one like her. This looks great. Car's got some awesome rims. Again, that paint is just amazing. I hope you can see what I'm seeing here in the paint. The metallic. Got the same design, but in a different way on the hood. It's really cool. It looks like the car might have air ride. Is that right? This car got some air ride? Yes. Yeah. The owner's right here, so was able to ask him. Looks like it's got some air ride on it, and yeah, it's real cool. Real cool. Wow. This is a really, really cool car. I love it. Everybody loves it. There's tons of people around it, guys. It's just it's a busy show, and sorry if I couldn't get a really good video for you. I'll show you here under the hood. It's so clean. You could eat off of this thing, man. So nice. So nice. Just chrome everywhere. Chrome and black paint. Chrome and black. Look, we got the wing window. Guys, you know how I feel about the wing windows. These are awesome. I love cars with wing windows. We'll do one more inside. We'll look all around. Look all around inside here. Very nice. Very nice. Nice. Guys, I'm super excited. I know many of you who know me may have heard me speak about our Cadillac when I was a kid. We had a 73 Cadillac. It was a lot like this. But it had a 400 cubic inch engine. It ran really well. And my mom liked the car the best. So, but With that said, again, I'm sorry for my voice. I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, showing off cars, trucks, airplanes, skateboards with engines, lawnmowers, cars with flames, cars without flames, fire trucks, you get it, etc. And now, badass Cadillacs. Guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, share, and click the notifications. It would mean so much. Thank you.